अनलाइक कि मैं एनीमे देख रहा हूँ स्टिकमैन एनिमेशन. What is this Black Clover review or Black Clover roasted for some minutes? तो हे एनिमे लवर्स, यहाँ पे एनिमे लवर, तो चलो बात करते हैं थोड़ा और एनिमे के बारे में. तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं ब्लैक क्लोवर के बारे में. आई डोंट नो वेयर शुड आई स्टार्ट, बट आई नो इस वीडियो के बाद में बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स अपने लूज करने वाले हैं, बहुत सारे हेट कमेंट्स आने वाले हैं, एंड I'm not ready for that, but still, I think the difference between me and other review channels is ki I don't jump on the hype train. So just know this. जैसे कि अगर कोई let's consider a technical channel is there which reviews a phone or a gadget, जैसे कि a phone. तो usually they upload two types of videos, right? The first look and the first review, or the second one. So what actual the people in our community do, the normal review people who just like are doing it for views. I'm also doing it for views. मैं कोई saint नहीं हूँ. But so what happens is कि जैसे कि let's consider Attack on Titan. Attack on Titan बहुत ज़्यादा hype में था, तो everyone was uploading video on it. Me एनिमे खत्म होने के 2 हफ्ते बाद वीडियो डालता है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग अ कैरेक्टर समथिंग येगर. सो द थिंग इज कि व्हेन आई मेक एनी वीडियो, आई थिंक कि इट्स लाइक कि ना कि अगर तुम लोग कोई एनिमे देख रहे हो तो इट्स वर्थ वॉचिंग, एंड you know what you are expecting, okay, from that anime. तुम high expectations लेके नहीं जा रहे. जैसे कि कल मेरा Record of Ragnarok का रिव्यू था. I just said what are the shitty things about it and what are good things about it. So you won't expect कि हाँ ये actual जो true events है एकदम perfectly capture कर रहा है. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So and actually this is a normal YouTuber behavior कि जब कोई चीज ट्रेंड में है तो उसके ऊपर वीडियो बनाना. आई एम डम जो मैं नहीं बनाता, बट that's how I work. जैसे अभी ब्लैक क्लोवर ट्रेंड में नहीं है, उसका सीजन भी नहीं आया. I just watched it, I thought about it, I'm doing a review now. And let me tell you, अगर हम ब्लैक क्लोवर को बाकी सारे एनिमे से कंपेयर करें इसके टाइम के, it's a total shit. It's a total piece of shit, a shonen piece of shit. I know I'm going really hard and really brutal, but that is the truth. अब let's consider Black Clover as in Black Clover in itself. Okay, है क्या Black Clover? Let's talk about the plot a little. The plot is really simple, normal shonen shit. So a guy makes a goal, tries to achieve it, we are with him. So what happens is कि Black Clover में the thing is ना कि I love the way the shonen world building is. कि they like you know the world. Like in few episodes only, 4 or 5 episodes, you know the world. Because वो first या second, third episode में तुमको world पूरा explain कर देते हैं लगभग. And धीरे धीरे वो छोटी छोटी minor details आगे के episodes में reveal होती है, जो कि I can understand. आस्था नाम का character है जो हमारा main character है. And when you can consider them as Naruto and Sasuke. Yuno is really talented in using magic, but Asta isn't. Asta can't use magic. So the narration जो बहुत बार आएगा इस anime के starting में, जब तुम देखोगे इसको तो वो आएगा, in the world where the magic is everything, Asta doesn't have magic, what is he gonna do? It's same as ki in the world where everyone is getting views, Animal ain't getting views, what is he gonna do? ये narration तुमको बहुत बार सुनाई देगा. And yeah, it's a really big thing कि इसके पास कोई magic नहीं है, like even peasant level magic नहीं है. It is interesting kinda. Yeah, slowly he does get build up and stuff. So main thing, why is it a shonen piece of shit? So first thing, friends. With the power of friends, I can do anything. Like why every shonen has to be like this? I don't know. I'm sorry. Like is it like it is the thing you like? No yeah. But the thing is कि let me अब इसके बहुत ज़्यादा shit कर दिया ना मैंने इसके ऊपर. So let's talk about the good things about the anime. The good things about this anime is it can pique your interest. You just be like, oh, it's a shonen anime. What the hell are you talking about, anime lover? I'm gonna like getting excited. I'm gonna get excited by watching this anime. I'm gonna wait for the next episode. Yes. The thing is ki the way it does stuff, the way the narration is, the way the episodes are portrayed, it is like you are gonna be left at cliffhanger many a times. Like many a times. And yeah, it's just like ki that's the whole formula. Agar you have watched My Hero Academia, agar tumne dekha hai, to you know the formula. Everyone shits on the main character gets OP, everyone be like woo, then everyone again shits on the main character gets more OP, woo. That is the fucking formula. Like, is it even realistic? Yeah. What the hell? Let me talk about Asta. He's just Reme Studio. who is even doing more push-ups than One Punch Man Saitama. So yeah, that's the review, I guess. Let me talk about the main character more. So Asta is not that much of an interesting character. He doesn't have a fucking personality. He is that guy. He has a goal to become the Wizard King, the most powerful mage in their kingdom. The guy who doesn't have any magic, and he wants to become the most powerful mage. Kinda unrealistic, but slowly, it's a shonen anime, so he sure is gonna become one. We didn't thought ki Naruto banega, but here we are. So, should you watch this anime? Depends if you want some shonen action and stuff. Oh, action, bro. मैं कैसे भूल गया ये animation. एनिमेशन ब्रो, इससे अच्छे फैन एनिमेशन है, मजा नहीं कर रहा. इसकी जो फर्स्ट फाइट थी जिसमें ये ओपी हुआ था एकदम, एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक कि यो, at last some action better than God of High School. But what did I get? Stickman animation. It is even इतना बुरा है यार स्टिकमैन एनिमेशन से भी. एंड द पर्सन हु रेकमेंडेड मी, ही वाज जस्ट लाइक कि
अरे अब देखो ना आगे के एपिसोड्स में ना बहुत अच्छा एनिमेशन हो जाता है.
अनलाइक कि मैं एनीमे देख रहा हूं स्टिकमैन एनिमेशन. What is this Black Clover review or Black Clover roasted for some minutes? Oh shit. Do I recommend this anime? Sure, if you want to waste your time on some anime. Even the story doesn't have much to offer. सच बता रहा हूँ मैं. It's just a total bland. If अगर इसकी स्टोरी मुझे किसी चीज से कंपेयर करनी होती है ना, तो एक वाइट पेपर पे अगर मैं ब्लैक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दूं, that's the story. It's just fucking simple. So simple. It's like कि B otaku is gonna be like,
ooh, anime lover, what the heck?
But what the hell यार, why people are making this show? I don't know. Like, मैं नहीं बोल रहा कि मेरा टेस्ट बहुत ज्यादा सुपीरियर है एनिमे में. No, I'm a degenerate who likes isekai. Okay, my favorite anime is Overlord. Okay. So मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा, but I will criticize the stuff which is overused. Even in shonen, like magic. Let me make the formula for Black Clover. Magic. Character with no personality. He is weak. He becomes OP. Wow. Done. Black Clover. There were some interesting characters and there were some interesting arcs. Not gonna lie. So it's like the review is going like this. Shit on it. Nice. Shit on it. Nice. Which is interesting. So कुछ अच्छे आर्क्स थे, जैसे कि वो वाला आर्क जिसमें एल्व्स वाला आर्क था, जिसमें वो डीमन आता है. Liked it. उसमें यामी सुकेहिरो का बहुत अच्छा था पार्ट. And yeah, that's all. अगर यामी सुकेहिरो को हम लोग हटा देंगे तो there is nothing in this anime. हे भगवान. So people who love Black Clover, I don't judge you. Please don't किसी को गाली देके मत आओ कि ब्लैक क्लोवर ऐसा है वैसा है. नो. एंड तुम अपने पैराग्राफ्स लिख सकते हो, मैं पढ़ूंगा जरूर, क्योंकि और कुछ मेरे को जिंदगी में काम नहीं है. सो मैं बोलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में आ रही हो तो फॉर वॉचिंग.